Hey Stephanie, I thought I'd just send you a video to help you out a little bit. Okay, when you go to courses, so if you can't find mine, it's probably because you just don't have my course starred. I bet you're looking at this. All right, is probably what you're looking at. So you're looking at just what you have here. Well, it's not going to be there, unfortunately. So you got to click on this all courses right here, and then this will give you a giant list of absolutely every course that you are enrolled for the entire year. All right. What I would do if I was you, I would unstar the ones that you already took. So like, for example, this is the class that you keep telling me that it says that you have. All right, the 1G. Well, 1G is term 1, or the first part of cultural studies. So just unstar it. So you want it to be this color. You want it to be gray. And the one you need to hit, you need to find the one that says 316002G. All right, the 2G, that's the second one, and you just need to star that. So when you star that, all right, then when you go to courses, then it will come up here. So I would do that for all your classes, all the ones that you don't have anymore. Unstar them. The one that you have, star them. Hopefully this helps. Let me know. I want you to get on track. I don't want you to fall behind. I know it's already been a weekend, so you're usually really good at doing this so online. So I just want to make sure that I help you any way possible. All right, that's it. So let me know if you have any questions.